Welcome to Business Training Media. In today's video, we're going to talk about Google Data Analytics certificates. What they cover, how they can help you build a career in data analytics, and why they're an excellent choice for anyone looking to break into this fast-growing field. We'll also share where you can enroll in these Google certificate programs, so be sure to watch until the end. What are Google Data Analytics courses? Google Data Analytics courses are designed to teach essential data analytics skills, even if you have no prior experience. These courses provide hands-on training in data collection, cleaning, analysis, visualization, and reporting, all key skills that businesses rely on to make informed decisions. These courses are carefully structured to be flexible and easily accessible, allowing learners to study at their own pace while balancing other personal and professional commitments. With interactive lessons, real-world case studies, and hands-on exercises, students gain practical job-ready experience that prepares them for careers in data analytics. What you'll learn in Google Data Analytics courses. Google's data analytics training covers a broad range of topics that align with industry needs. In these courses, you'll learn Introduction to Data Analytics, understanding the role of data in business and how analysts use data to solve problems. Data cleaning and preparation, learning how to clean messy data and prepare it for analysis. Spreadsheets and SQL for data analysis, working with spreadsheet functions and SQL queries to manage and analyze data efficiently. Data visualization and reporting, creating dashboards and visual reports using tools like Google Data Studio and Tableau. Data-driven decision-making, understanding how to use insights from data to guide business strategies. By the end of the program, you'll be equipped with the same tools and techniques that professional data analysts use daily. Why these courses are important for career growth. In today's digital world, data is everywhere, and companies need skilled professionals to make sense of it. Whether you're looking to start a new career or improve your existing skills, data analytics can open doors to high-paying jobs in nearly every industry. Here's why learning data analytics is a great career move. High demand for data analysts. There are currently over 295,000 open data analytics jobs in the US alone, with strong demand in industries like finance, healthcare, retail, and tech. Competitive salaries. The average salary for entry-level data analysts starts at $65,000 to $80,000 per year, with experienced professionals earning six figures. No degree required. Many companies hire data analysts based on skills rather than degrees, making these courses a cost-effective alternative to traditional education. Career flexibility. Data analytics skills can be applied in multiple fields, including marketing, business intelligence, operations, and product management. Career opportunities after completing Google Data Analytics courses. These certificate courses equip you with the skills needed for various entry-level data analytics roles, including data analyst, business analyst, marketing analyst, operations analyst, and business intelligence specialist. Many companies, including Google and Fortune 500 firms, recognize Google Data Analytics training as a valuable credential for hiring. Benefits of Google Data Analytics courses. One of the biggest advantages of enrolling in these certificate courses is that they are developed by Google, ensuring that the training is industry relevant and up to date. Here are some key benefits. Hands-on learning. The courses emphasize practical, real-world projects that help you apply your skills immediately. Flexible and affordable. Unlike traditional degree programs, Google Data Analytics courses are self-paced and cost-effective. Portfolio building. You'll work on projects that you can showcase to employers when applying for jobs. Job placement support. Many graduates gain access to Google's employer network, increasing their job opportunities. Google Data Analytics certificate courses provide a powerful, affordable and accessible way to learn data analytics and build a successful career in this high-growth field. With structured learning, real-world projects, and industry recognition, these courses can help you stand out in the job market. To get started, we've included a link in the description where you can learn more and enroll in these courses today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to help others learn about this opportunity. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.